Yakionigiri or grilled rice balls are a beloved Japanese comfort food that's both simple and delicious. They are perfect for when you want something quick but satisfying. The secret is seasoning the rice with a mix of soy sauce and mirin, which adds a wonderful balance of savory and slightly sweet flavors. Yakionigiri is also a must-have yakitori menu. It's perfect companion for a cold beer. Today we're going to make a very simple yakionigiri, only using just one frying pan. Let's make it at home! Start by mixing warm cooked rice with soy sauce and mirin. This helps the flavors soak in evenly. Then, divide the rice into 4 portions and shape each into a firm triangle or round ball, pressing well so they hold their shape during grilling. Rice balls, or onigiri, are an iconic staple of Japanese cuisine, found everywhere from convenience stores to home kitchens. Yakionigiri is a delicious evolution of this classic, grilled to develop a crispy, aromatic crust that takes this simple snack to the next level. Next, heat a thin layer of oil in a frying pan over medium-low heat. Sesame oil works beautifully here, adding a subtle nutty aroma, but vegetable oil is fine too. Carefully place the rice ball in the pan and cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn golden brown and develop a crispy crust. Once grilled to perfection, you can sprinkle them with toasted sesame seeds or chopped green onions for an extra burst of flavor and color. Yakionigiri makes a perfect snack and tasty side of lunch or dinner, and are easy enough to whip up anytime you want a comforting Japanese treat at home.